How to mask effects. To begin, I added a video to my timeline and I want to see how masking options in some effects work. Go to Effects panel and search for Gaussian Blur. Drag and drop Gaussian Blur effect into your clip. With your clip selected, go to Effect Controls and under Gaussian Blur, increase the blurriness. In the preview, you can see that all of the video is blurred. But what if I just wanted to blur a part of the video? This is when we have to use masks. Any effects which have one of these buttons can be used with masks. You can create a rectangle shape mask by clicking on this rectangle button, and then in the preview, resize and reposition your mask. To remove a mask, just right-click on it and choose Clear. If your shape is not rectangle or ellipse, use Pen tool to draw a mask around your subject. Just click to add straight lines or click and drag to create curves. For this video, I just want to use a circle mask, so I click on this button. Now adjust the mask with its handles. I wanted the water to be blurred and not the subject, so I just need to click on inverted checkbox. You can also increase the feather to make the mask look smoother. Now let's add brightness and contrast effect to the video. In Effect Controls, decrease the brightness a little bit, but I wanted to decrease the brightness of the water and not my subject. You can see that this effect also has that 3 buttons and I can use a mask here. But instead of creating another mask, I just select my previous mask and press Ctrl+C to copy it, and then click on Brightness and Contrast and press Ctrl+V to paste the mask. And increase the feather so it looks nicer. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.